Lesson of the Wise Parrot. Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious and mischievous group of children. They were known far and wide for their insatiable curiosity and their habit of getting into all sorts of adventures. Their favorite place to explore was the dense forest that bordered the village, filled with towering trees and hidden secrets. One sunny morning, as the children were playing near the forest's edge, they heard a peculiar sound coming from deep within the woods. It was a melodious voice, one that they had never heard before. Intrigued, they followed the enchanting sound until they reached a small clearing, where they found the source of the mysterious voice. Perched on a branch of an ancient oak tree was a colorful parrot with feathers as vibrant as a rainbow. The parrot was singing a beautiful, haunting melody that echoed through the forest. The children were captivated by the bird's enchanting song and couldn't help but listen in awe. For days, the children returned to the forest to listen to the parrot's songs. They brought fruits and nuts to feed the bird and spent hours sitting beneath the oak tree, enchanted by the parrot's melodies. But as time passed, their fascination turned into something more like obsession. They began to neglect their chores, schoolwork, and even their friends. The parrot songs became their sole focus, and they spent less and less time with their families. Their parents grew worried, but the children were too enchanted to notice. One evening, as the sun set behind the hills, the parrot stopped singing and looked down at the children with a stern expression. It cleared its throat and spoke in a voice that sounded surprisingly human. "Children, you have been captivated by my songs for too long. While it's lovely to appreciate beauty, you must not forget your responsibilities and the people who love you." The children were taken aback. They hadn't expected the parrot to speak, let alone scold them. One of the children, a girl named Lily, spoke up, "But your songs are so beautiful, and we can't help but listen. They make us so happy." As the years passed, the children grew into responsible and well-rounded individuals, always cherishing the lessons they had learned from the wise parrot. And while they still appreciated the beauty of the parrot's songs, understanding that true happiness came from a harmonious life that included both beauty and responsibility. The parrot nodded and replied, "I understand the allure of beauty, but remember that life is a delicate balance. You must find time for the things that matter most, your family, your education, and your duties. Otherwise, you risk losing sight of what truly makes you happy." The children looked at each other, realizing the truth in the parrot's words. They thanked the parrot for its wisdom and made a promise to find that balance in their lives. From that day on, they still visited the parrot in the forest, but they did so with a sense of responsibility. They made sure to complete their chores, attend school, and spend time with their families. The parrot continued to sing its beautiful songs, reminding them of the importance of balance in life. From that day on, they still visited the parrot in the forest, but they did so with a sense of responsibility. They made sure to complete their chores, attend school, and spend time with their families. The parrot continued to sing its beautiful songs, reminding them of the importance of balance in life. As the years passed, the children grew into responsible and well-rounded individuals, always cherishing the lessons they had learned from the wise parrot. And while they still appreciated the beauty of the parrot's songs, they never allowed themselves to be consumed by them again. Understanding that true happiness came from a harmonious life that included both beauty and responsibility.